Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, we have a 2014 Audi A6 TDI V6. We are replacing the left rear taillight on the trunk side. Let's get into it. Alright guys, to remove the tail lamp assembly on the trunk side, we have a 10mm here, and we have a 10mm over there, not to mention an electrical connector. So first we're going to get this guy out. We're going to get that guy out, and then we should be able to remove the lens. Very good. Oh, well, we got the lens out, and would you look at this? The whole freaking assembly is busted. That's probably why the LED strip in here failed, because it was taking on moisture. And the way I figured this out was we were getting a warning in the cluster, and then you just do your normal bulb check. And this guy right here was a flickering. So yeah, but I did not know that the whole lens was freaking busted like that. Huh, they must have got hit in the rear end at one point. Giggity. Here we have our brand new lens. Comes with everything: brand new membrane, brand new mounting tab here. The only thing it doesn't come with is the 10mm for here, but that's okay, we'll just reuse that. So yeah, guys, oh, it looks like we got to transfer over this guy right here onto the new one right there. So let's transfer that over and install the lens. So when installing the lens, you have to loosen the mount that was already there. And what you do is you push this side in first, and then you bring in this corner into the lens, or into the trunk, I should say. Then you tighten this guy, and then you install the one over there, the 10mm all the way. And then just do that, then close the trunk and test operation. So let's test operation. Very good, we are working now. Time to... Now it's installed. If you guys don't know what to do, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.